So, Dayglow is on the spot. We start off with the 11th fret. And you just slide in. And you can give it a little bend if you want. And you slide out. It's a nice little detail. So we're gonna jump into the real detail here. So what I think he plays, maybe I add something to it. Yeah, still room for imagination. So you slide in, and you slide out, and then you have the special bend, and it's you bend and then you release it. It's like you see it in the notes. It's a bit off to the beat. And for the last one, you just make it a short bend. So it's like 3 notes then. Da, 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 da. And then you are at the 11th and the 9th fret. And you make a pull off and hammer on. And then it goes very quickly into this little riff. And you slide from the 11th to the 13th fret and back to the 11th. If you go back to the 11th fret, you give it a little hit. Like this. And then you have like this. See it on the camera, I hope so. You got this little fella here, and you can, if you like, change the finger to the middle finger, so it gets easier after then. Then you keep holding the 12th fret, playing the 11th, so like this. So it's like this. And then you hammer on to the 13th fret and like this. It's like a very standard motion. Yeah, and you release it, and it's nice because it's like this offbeat sound. So the high note is like on the offbeat. Yeah. So again, because I always mix up things, so. You see it in the tab, so I hope you can follow me. And you can give this 11th fret, or this tone. So just move it a bit. Because it's like a very short moment. I mean, this is like very slow motion here. So this happens like very fast. So you can wiggle around, jiggle around. You can move, you can try out things, like if you just move your finger like this, it's a bit more subtle, I think. But if you just try to make little bendings like this, like up and down, like very, very quickly, you get like, you can't exaggerate it. And so it depends on what you like. So, and then with the index finger, you play the double nines, And because it's such a mess up in the song, because it's so distorted, I barely hear what's really correct. So I think my version kind of makes it a little bit more to see it through. Is that English? I don't know. So it's like... So then you play like the double nines, and then you play the 3 nines, and on that, yeah, so you hit it once with your pluck, and then you make the hammer on the 11th fret. So it's like, how is it called? Okay, it's a bar. It's called a bar. I didn't know that. So you hold it like, yeah, with one finger down. After that, you go back to the double nines and you just play that. So, and after that, you can play with you can hold a bar with your ring finger, or you just use your ring finger and your pinky. I don't know if you can see it like this, like so, double, or with the bar. Yeah, I should do it. And it's like this. And after that, you see like this little thing there. It's a harmonic tone, so it's very... First, I didn't hear it, but it's there. It's like this. So when you play the string, depends on the guitar, I guess. I don't know. Sometimes it's only on the fret itself. You can hear it like this. You don't have to do it. It's just a little detail. For this video, I had to turn down the distortion a bit because it would be too loud and too fuzzy all the time. So you will hear it if your distortion is really pulled up. So then this sound is or you can hear it very clearly. So the end is like this. The little end notes. I don't know what he plays exactly, but it should be something like this. Something like this, yeah. I hope I didn't forget anything, because I don't know what you need. I don't know what specific part you need, but I think that will help. If you want a video with the chords, I don't know if you... Yeah, I guess Dayglow made a video about the riff. Yeah, you know that probably, but I don't know if you want to know the chorus chords. So let me know in the comments if you want a chord video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I can only say that if you want to listen to my music, to my stuff, I would be very happy, because I put a lot of work in and I love it. So yeah, let me know what you think, and you find it somewhere down there. So yes, thanks a lot, and goodbye.